What's up guys, English Dan back with another quick video. Just got this today. This is the Redmi Note 9S. These are made by a company called Xiaomi, big in India and obviously Europe, they're out over there. But we don't have this company over here in the United States. This phone here is 6 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon processor, 128 gigabyte of storage, quad camera setup, and it's $227. Let's get into it. Alright, so yep, there's a box, still sealed, all packaged. This is the Glacier White version. They must all just come with the blue on the front. When it come through, I was like, that's not the colour I ordered, but oh well. But yeah, then I looked at the label, 6 gig of RAM, Glacier White. So let's get this thing opened. So I only covered with a very thin piece of plastic around the box. Let's move that out of the way. Any tabs on the box? Nope. So, the first thing we get to is this box. We'll open that in a second. This is the phone. And we'll get that out of there as well in a moment. That feels really nice so far. I'm really shocked at that. What else do we get in here? We get the power plug, which is obviously for Europe. But I do have an adapter. They sent one with it. So I can use that adapter. And we have a USB-C charging cable. So that's everything in the bottom of the box. Let's have a look what comes in the smaller box within the box. A lot of boxes. There's your SIM tool key. You get a case. $227, guys. And you're getting a case as well. Let's have a look at this case. It's probably just a clear TPU case, but it's nice because you don't have to go out and buy one. Yeah, and it's slightly frosted. It's got it might be hard to see with the camera picking up, but it's got like micro dots. Very slim micro dots inside there. Not bad. And then we get the warranty card and the user guide. All right, so that's everything in the box. Let's take a quick look at the phone. So as it says on here, as you can see, Redmi Note 9S. Comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. That is a really powerful processor system on a chip in there. It'll do great for gaming, no problem whatsoever. All right, it's not as fast as the 865, but it's not meant to be that. But it is like not far off. It's very, very quick. I'm very impressed they included that in here. It's also made on the 8 nanometer high efficiency processor, so smaller, get more out of it. 48 megapixel AI quad camera and a 16 megapixel in-display camera on the front. That's pretty crazy. 6.67 inch full HD plus dot display. It is IPS LCD, so you don't get the fingerprint scanner in the screen, but you do get it on the side, I know that. And it has a massive 5020 milliamp hour battery. Comes with an 18 watt charger. That's crazy. Anyway, let's get in here, shall we? Let's see what's going on. Here we go. I love this colour, the Glacier White. Never was a fan of white phones, but this, damn, that looks nice. Let's take the sticker off. This is like a pearlescent white. That is super nice. I tell you what, it feels like it's like a Samsung phone. It's built really well. It's got some heft to it. It's already got a screen protector on there. There's your side fingerprint sensor, which I believe is really quick. Volume rockers. Nothing on this side apart from the SIM tray. You do have a hump on the back for the quad camera, 48 megapixel camera. Does say Redmi a little bit there. Redmi, whatever you want to call it. A couple of microphone holes up on the top. Small grill for the speaker there. And I think it's got a single firing speaker and USB-C ports at the bottom. And a 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's nice. Let's power this thing on. The fingerprint sensor is also the power button. Vibrates a lot when you turn it on. Let's see what happens. Here we go. So it's got MIUI 11, which is built on the latest Android 10. So you're getting the latest Android with this as well at $227. So far, this looks to be a hell of a bargain. Let me go and set it up. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Took about 5 or 10 minutes to set up, had to download some updates, and I had to input my MIUI account. But after all that, it's just doing a few downloads now for Google, and everything's set up. And that, for an IPS LCD screen, is a really good looking screen. And it's not slow either. I mean, look at this thing. It's quick. It's real fast. It doesn't, you know, Google Home is always that way, but I'm not going to rip it on that. We'll do more testing though with that. But yeah, I mean, everything so far looks really good. It's just booted up as well, so it's not like, you know, it's had a chance to have anything running on it. It's still downloading some things. But yeah, very impressed. So yeah, this is the Redmi. I hate people to say Redmi, but people try and correct me all the time. This is the Redmi Note 9S. This is the 6 gig, 128 gig version. And I'm pretty impressed so far. Let me know what you think. I'm going to go and use it now for a while. Come back with a review. If you go on Twitter, @EnglishDanYT, you'll be able to see camera samples, video samples, and some sneak peeks at videos of this device before the review comes out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing at the moment, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Helps me out a lot. My channel's growing, and it's only growing because of you guys. Thanks.